How to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, simply try opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, again on your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy. Once inside the settings and privacy, scroll down till you see the account creator tools and types option available there. And all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see options like switch to business account on your screen. Now tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions in order to switch your personal account to the business account. Now all you have to do is choose any option available here. I'm choosing on the artist and continuing. Tap on the OK option available. Now once done so, you'll be navigated to the another page. Here you will have to choose creator or business option. So I'm choosing the creator and tap on the done option available again. And once you choose this, you'll be navigated to the page to confirm all your professional account instructions. Now follow any on-screen instructions or prompts in order to change it to your professional account. Tap on the OK, then tap on the continue, then tap on the skip option available there, and here it is. Now your account is in business mode and you will get to see all your achievements available on your profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.